In this question we are given f of x is equals to x cube plus e to the power x by 2 and gx is equals to f inverse of x, and we have to find the value of g dash of 1. Now see, we are given gx is equals to f inverse of x, that is gx is the inverse of function f of x, so we can write g of f of x as x. Now differentiate this quantity with respect to x, we get g dash of f of x into f dash of x is equals to 1. Now we have to find the value of g dash of 1, so replace f of x by 1. Now we are given fx as x cube plus e to the power x by 2, so we get x cube plus e to the power x by 2 as 1. So see, this quantity can be 1 only when x is equals to 0, because when x is equals to 0, e to the power x by 2 will be e to the power 0, that is 1, and x cube will be 0. So from here we get x is equals to 0. Now we have to find the value of f dash of 0. So first of all we will find f dash x. See, fx we are given as x cube plus e to the power x by 2. So f dash of x will be equals to 3x square plus e to the power x by 2 into 1 by 2. So f dash of 0 will be equals to 0 plus 1 by 2 into e to the power 0, that is 1 by 2. Now substitute this value in equation 1. So see, we will get g dash of 1 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1, which implies that g dash of 1 is equals to 2. So 2 is the answer of this question.